Draw Crusher. Our draw crusher is a high-efficient and energy-saving machinery which introduces successful experience of the same machines home and abroad. These series of draw crushers are widely used in mine, metallurgy, construction, road building, railway, water conservancy, and mechanical industry. They feature high crushing ratio, good shape in product, simple structure, reliable performance, and low operation cost. They are ideal choice for primary crushing. Operation principle of jaw crusher. The motor drives the belt and the groove wheel, which connect the centric shaft. Through the movement of centric shaft, the movable jaw plate moves up and down. When movable jaw plate moves up, the angle between it and toggle plate will be enlarged, so the movable jaw plate will be close to fixed jaw plate. Then the material will be pressed and crushed. When the movable jaw plate moves down, the angle between it and toggle plate will be reduced. Movable jaw plate will move away from fixed jaw plate due to the tension rod and springs. At this moment, the crushed materials will be discharged at discharge opening. With moving of motor and periodical movement of movable jaw plate, material will be crushed and discharged gradually, so the batch production will be reached.